How to add video to Shopify product page. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to add a video in your Shopify product page. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just go to products over here. And then after that, while waiting for this to load, let's just try to make our first sample product. So to do that, just simply click on add product right there, and after that we'll be redirected here. So the first thing that we're gonna do first is to add our title. So just add any kind of title you want from here. So for example, I'll just copy the example right here in the title. So I'll just name it short sleeve t-shirt. There you go. And after that, you can now add the description over here for your product. So for example, I'll just use Shopify's AI in writing the description. So I'll just generate text right there. And then I'll just paste in the keywords, click on generate, and after that you can either generate again or keep it. For me, I'll just keep it. Next is media. So in here you can just upload a media of your image. So in here I'll just look for a t-shirt image right there in Google. There you go. So I'll just choose a sample image from here. So as an example, I'll just use this image. I'll just download it, go back to Shopify, and then just upload that said image. And then there you go. It's now being uploaded. And then there you go. Next is pricing. So just set the price of your product over here. So just set it to 500 Philippine pesos. There you go. You can also add the cost per item right there so that Shopify will calculate your profit and your margin. So for example, I'll just set it to 120 pesos, and there you go. Our profit is 380 pesos and our margin is 76%. Next is inventory. So in here we can track the inventory or quantity of our product. And you can also use some settings right here for your product right here, like continue selling with out of stock, or if your product has an SKU or barcode. Next is shipping. So in here you can add shipping details right here, like set it if it's a physical product, add weight, or add additional customs information. Next are variants. So in here you can add variants to your product, add your category meta fields, your search engine listing. On the right side, you can also set the status of your product right there, add the product type, choose the vendor, add it to your collection. So for example, just add it to my homepage and add tags. So once you're done customizing your product, what we can do now is to add a video. So if you want to add a video in your products page, what you want to do first is to just simply look for a video on YouTube that you want to use or add as a video in here. So for example, I'll just use this video right here. So it's this one right here from this channel. So once you've chosen the video that you want to use, what you want to do is to just scroll to the bottom until you see share right there. So just simply click on share, and after that what you want to do from here is to click at embed. So just click on that, and after that you'll be redirected here. So in here you can edit out the details right here. So if you want to set a specific starting point of where you want to start your video, you can just click on this and then just set the time right there. And then at the embed options, you can also allow to show the player controls if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can just leave it unticked. So once you're done customizing the details of your embed right there, what you want to do from here is to just simply copy this code right there. So just copy the code. And then once you're here, what you want to do is just go back to Shopify, go back to your description, and then here, what you want to do is to click on insert video. So just click on that, and after that, just paste the embed code right there. And then once you're done, just simply click on insert video, and then there you go, the video has now been inserted. And then once you're done, just simply click on save, and then there you go, the product has now been created, and it also has the video. So when I go to my online store right here, and then when I view or preview my online store, the product is here. So when I click on my product, as you can see that we can see the video right there, but the video is not auto playing. So when I play on the video, Shopify, as you can see that I need to still click on the video, and as you can see that the video has loaded with sound. So let's say you want to mute the video and you want the video to auto play. So what you want to do now is go back to your Shopify store, go back to your products page, go to your product that you want to edit the video of, and then once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply click on show HTML. There you go. And then the first thing that we're going to do first is to mute our video. So to mute your video, what you want to do is go to this section right here which says controls, and then after controls, what you want to do is to just simply add an ampersand symbol on your keyboard, and then what you want to do is to type in mute and equals 1. So this will just mute the video. So yeah, so I'll just save it to show it to you guys. There you go. I'll just save it, and then there you go. And then let's just go back to our online store. Let's just view it. There you go. Let's just go to our product right there. Let's just play the video. And then there you go. So as you can see that the video is now played on mute. Okay, so we are now done muting the video. So what we're gonna do now is to let the video autoplay. So let's just exit out of here. So what we're gonna do now is go back in here. So after mute, again, what you want to do is to just simply add another ampersand symbol and then just type in autoplay and then equals and then just equate it to 1 again. And then after that, just simply click on save, and then there you go. It's now been saved. So again, let's just view our online store. Then after that, let's just click on that product. And as you can see that the video is now auto playing. So I didn't click anything in the video, and then there you go, the video is now auto playing. So yeah. And then if you want to leave the video on mute, you can just remove the mute right here or just set it to 0. And then if you want to not set it to autoplay, just set the autoplay to 0. So yeah. And then next is, let's say you want to adjust the size of your video right there. So yeah, so in here, what you want to do is to just edit the height and the width right here. So for example, I'll just set the height to 300, and after that I'll just set the width to 500, and then there you go. So once you're done editing the width and height of your video, just simply click on save, and then there you go, we have now made the changes. And then again, let's just view our online store, and after that we'll be redirected here in our online store. So again, just view your product, and there you go. So as you can see that the size of the video has been changed. So yeah, and then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a video to your Shopify product page. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.